All right, here we go. We have the rabbit ears. This is gonna be fun. A little bit, probably quicker, but it's still a hard one because we're going around single cones for the most part. So first one out of 5, familiarization. Let's get into that. So around this cone, out to the outside. Nice and easy. Outside of these cones, we're gonna have to go all the way, shoot to this outside cone right here. Okay, cool. We're gonna go around it, very nice. And we have to cut around this cone and exit out. Okay, got it. 22 seconds, all right. Get an idea for it. So around that cone, through, boom. Okay, here we go, 3, 2, 1. I think I got it. That middle cone that you have to go around to make that outside cone really sets you up for failure, which is kind of fun. Kind of same here. I wish I could just exit out, but I gotta go around this cone. And then we exit out on that one. Very fun. 18, all right. So it's a harder one, but it's quicker. That's what she said. All right, 3, 2, 1, this is number 3. Oh. It's that camera that keeps messing me up. That's fine. It's part of the deal. I gotta go around this cone right here. Turn. Oh yeah. You start to feel it in your triceps after a while. 18. Emergency brake. Boop. Good practice. Here we go. Number 3. Wait. Number 4. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. It's hard to memorize. All right, outside. Oh, I cut it a little too close and I had to shift again and put my foot down, but I did not hit a cone. That's perfectly fine. I don't want to do that again though, because that could hurt you. All right, last one. 17.9. All right, very good. Here we go. Last one. 3, 2, 1. Around. Oh, don't hit the camera. I'm worried about my handlebars hitting the camera, not my feet. All right. 18.095. Not bad. The next one is going to be a lot of fun. It's a little bit harder. It's called the Octothorpe, or you can call it a hashtag, whatever, hashtag. It's an Octothorpe. That's the original name. Pound button, whatever. But this was a lot of fun. You are going to have to really shift and move. It's almost like doing a bunch of figure eights without doing figure eights. Practice, dance with the bike, head and eye, friction zone, counterweight, all that stuff. Let's get into the next one.